Hello and welcome everyone in YouTube. This is Varietistic and today's video gonna be unboxing. This is the Galaxy S9 and this is the Metro PCS variant over here. As everybody see, Metro PCS on the box, and this is unit exclusive to Metro PCS. You may have seen a lot of videos about the Galaxy S9 features, the stuff, but I want to just tell you that Metro PCS just released this phone and available through Metro PCS. Since I cover a lot of Metro PCS phones, I say let me cover the Galaxy S9 in case if you are interested to buy it through Metro PCS. So without any further ado, let's find out. So there we go. This is the Galaxy S9. I know a lot of people are gonna ask about the Galaxy S9 Plus. It's a bigger version with dual camera. This not gonna be available, unfortunately, through Metro PCS. You can go ahead buy online, unlocked, or from some stores like Best Buy, and it should be compatible with Metro PCS, as well as you can buy it from T-Mobile and then add it to Metro PCS service. It should be working with no problem. Here is the packaging. The packaging is very similar to what we have seen on the Galaxy S8, and some of the content, it will be headphone, the phone, the charger, and the I believe USB connector, whatever stuff came with the Galaxy S9. Even the package here is, this will be Metro PCS, because this released through Metro PCS, and this will be 64 gigabyte. I know a lot of people, they're gonna ask me what the price. The price will be $699. That will be cheaper than the previous Galaxy S8. When Metro PCS released the phone, it was $729. So there's about $29 advantage in the price. Plus this is a way much better phone than the Galaxy S8. Let me just go ahead and the box itself and open. It should be sealed somewhere. You can just take, oh, there we go, the phone in the sleeve. And by the way, I haven't seen this for in my life or in real. This is gonna be the first time for me, but I personally use the Galaxy S8 and I don't think so this will be much different. Here we go. So we got the unbox. So we got this thing, has the user guide, and that Galaxy logo over here looks very stunning, and I believe the SIM ejector tool over here, and then we will see the phone itself. There we go. Here is the phone, similar in the design for the Galaxy S8. And here's some guidance about how you put the SIM and the memory card. So this phone take a memory card, and this phone has the USB-C. This color is the midnight color, and this the only color available also through Metro PCS as well. So we got some plastic over here. Let's go ahead, remove the plastic. And we have another plastic on the back of the phone. One of the best advantages for this phone from the Galaxy S8, they changed the position of the fingerprint. Now it's in good place, in my opinion. It will be easier for you to reach, and also some improvements on the camera. It has more slow motion frames, will be 920 frame per second. Great in my opinion. We're gonna go ahead and power this device and then lock on the phone. So we get the Pixie button, volume records, they're gonna be in the left side, and the power key, and here is the headphone jack and stereo speaker, the USB-C glass, my finger already printed on the phone. Now we're gonna go ahead also look on the software in this device, see how nice this display is, because this is Quad HD and it's Infinity display. We have 1440p resolution, and we have that Quad HD is very stunning, OLED display for sure. I'm gonna go ahead and do the setup and have the first look on the phone itself. But before we go on, let's go ahead and see what else content come in the box, since we're doing unboxing. The SIM card, and we have the OTG cable. This is actually will allow you to insert this in the phone, and then you put that in the USB and then transfer the information either from your computer to the phone or from phone to another if you have a previous phone with Samsung. And here we go. This is the quick charge. that comes with the phone. So usually Samsung charge from 0% to 100% around hour and 40 minutes. And let's see what else comes here. We have the AKG headphones. I have tested those. They're very, very good quality for the audio. And then the USB-C cable over here. And we have, I believe this is adapter from regular USB 2 to USB-C. There we go, if you guys can see it. Oh, it's actually earbuds over here. I'm so sorry, because the Galaxy S8 came with that piece and I don't see this on the Galaxy S9. It's not a big deal. Most of the phones go into the USB-C and now it just become more popular. So this is everything comes in the box. We will back to you guys and see what else content or how the phone is gonna look, and we're gonna have a first look on the operating system. And this phone also came or shipped with the Android Oreo. That's another good things I wanna have a look. There we go, here's the phone. I mean, first thing first, you will notice how nice this display is with a high resolution, and by the new ratio will be 18:9 ratio. It's almost this, the whole panel is screen over here. Absolutely fingerprint on the phone. It's incredible. By the way, the hardware of this phone, we have Snapdragon 445, which is the latest right now in the market and the fastest with the Android in general, because this is a flagship. It takes the best chipset from Snapdragon. Here in the US, Exynos will be international, for those people asking why it doesn't have the Exynos processor over here. And 4 GB of RAM and 3000 milliamp hour for the battery with fast charging. Plus you have Qi charging over here, so wireless charging available for this device. It's a nice device and the price is not high, so Apple they're gonna have hard time competing with Samsung this year, because the prices that Samsung put for this device, it's incredible. Plus I don't want to miss mentioning this phone also has the, I don't know why these phones keep just saying some pop-up, because this is the first time, but this phone has the iris scanner and has been improved the way you can do facial recognition through your eyes to provide the best protection possible for this device. It's a very nice device. Now it's available through Metro PCS for $699. So take advantage. Also, if you want to port your number to Metro PCS during the time of the video, Metro PCS, they give you $150 extra discount if you bring your number from a different carrier. And that was very much it for that video. I wish everybody found this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up and subscribe for more content on VarietyStick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in the next video.